You have never heard a CEO talk about AI like this. AI doesn't go on strike, it doesn't ask for a raise. I've laid off employees myself because of AI. That's Elijah Clark, a CEO and consultant helping Fortune 500s automate their workforce. Not in 10 years, but right now. This is Front Page by AIM TV. Welcome to the end of work as we know it. CEOs are openly admitting AI isn't just about productivity, it's about replacement. One CEO told Gizmodo, "We replaced 27 student workers with AI. What took them a week, AI did in less than an hour." And it's not just him. Microsoft cut 1,000 employees from Azure and AI teams. Google slashed hundreds from Waze, Pixel, and even their core search team. Amazon? Well, over 27,000 laid off since 2023 across AWS, Alexa, and logistics. TCS recently announced, and we covered that it is planning to lay off close to 12,000 employees. That's almost about 2% of its total workforce. Even AI startups like Krutrim laid off more than 100 employees after being hired only 6 months ago. All while funneling billions into Gen AI. Efficiency wins, humanity loses. The stats are already here. Companies are actually shedding headcount and scaling revenue. AI is accelerating a 50-year trend, decoupling people from profits. This was said by JLL's Peter Miskovich. So what does the new workplace look like? Less about people, more about plug-and-play tech and boutique experiences. The kind that actually attract top talent while quietly replacing the rest. But you know what is the real invisible workforce? Yes, it's actually you. Every scroll, click, post, you're training AI systems. And behind the scenes, millions of gig workers do the dirty menial work. Data labeling, annotating war content, moderating genocide videos, all for a few dollars an hour. AI isn't thinking, it's recognizing patterns based on human labor, says Crystal Kaufman of DAIR. This is AI-fueled capitalism powered by underpaid humans in the shadows. And while executives race to erase headcount, people like AI Genpu remind us of something way deeper. The work of care, of dignity, of human connection. That can't be automated. Care work is a calling, but it deserves economic security, not invisibility. We are at a fork in the road. One path leads us to mass layoffs, data exploitation, broken dignity. The other, well, takes us to safety nets, labor rights, a future where tech supports us, not replaces us. This was said by Clark. I'm hired to help CEOs cut jobs with AI, not later, now. The question is no longer if AI will change work, it's actually whether we will let it change what it means to be human. This is the most honest look yet at the AI revolution from inside the boardroom. It's not dystopian fiction. It's already happening. And whether we like it or not, we are a part of it. This is Front Page by AIM TV. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.